Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And this video I would like to begin with first of all gratitude that I started this very randomly because I am a collector and I posted some of my cars and my hauls and everything, and you guys showed a lot of love. You've been very generous and it's only fun to create as long as you guys are enjoying it. So thank you for engaging, and that's what inspires me to create more. And that's why I always keep mixing it up. I do not do a thing where I'm just following a set routine, and sometimes you guys don't like some stuff. I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I posted some Funko Pops, and I posted that because it's a unique hobby. And because you collect Hot Wheels, you should realize what other kinds of hobbies are there in the world. It will help you learn a new hobby. And it's a very short video, I think 10-20 minutes. So in those 20 minutes you learn a lot about that hobby which you will not know anywhere else. So my perspective is that let me know if I should continue doing that, because I meet lots of interesting people and I can make that a series if you want. Because cars, that guy also had cars, but he had some other stuff also. So that's that. And that's why I keep mixing it up. Sometimes it's an unboxing, sometimes it's a room tour, sometimes it's peg hunt, and sometimes it's an interview, something like that. So long time since I did a proper unboxing, and that is why today I've come with an unboxing, and I'll be unboxing the Camel Trophy Land Rover, the Range Rover actually, Mini GT, and I have had that for almost 1 month or more now. Didn't get the time to unbox it, so today we'll be unboxing that. Like when I am in front of the camera and I do the unboxing, the car is not visible clearly, so I'll be doing it on a table, and this is my talking section. From now on you'll just see the car, and let me know if that works out and which experience is best for you. Thanks. So this is the box right here. It says Camel Trophy, and this one says Range Rover. Exact model is 1982 Camel Trophy, Papua New Guinea, Team USA. So this denotes that year was 1982, location was Papua New Guinea, the rally name was Camel Trophy, and the participating team was Team USA. That is why here we can see that this is the Team USA flag. I'll show you later. Mini GT branding, and the color is the camel color. Here it's number 509. Instagram handle, Twitter handle, and Facebook ID, website, all of that. And we come on here, it says that Mini GT is part of the TSM model family. So in case you do not know, TSM stands for true scale models, and these are the larger scale versions. So TSM is a very old company, and they started Mini GT as a part of their 64 lineup. So now you know something in case you did not. You can see the TSM hologram. Here you can see the Land Rover logo. It says that this is a licensed car and licensed by JLR. Same name here you can see with the barcode and everything. Every Mini GT box says that, and so it says that this product is a collector's model and is not a toy. So in case anyone asks you that you are an adult and why do you keep collecting, so if you have any Mini GT model, you can show that it's specifically written that it's a collectible, it's a model, it's an adult's model, and it's not a toy. Over here you can see that the seller whom I got it from, they sourced it from CLDC. So Car Lover Diecast, CLDC, and the Chinese barcode and the other stuff, this is their logo. Every car that comes through CLDC has this logo. So in case you do not know, now you know. Over here Mini GT is written. So that's pretty much it about the box. Now let's just unbox it. So I generally use a blade. What you need to do is you need to just take this out from this side, like this much, this bit. You just need to take it off so that you can open it. These boxes are very snug, so you need to be a little careful. You need to open it up. So you can see that this is the car, and it comes inside this blister, and the blister is made according to the shape of the car. For example, if these jerry cans are high, you can see this raise over here, tires and everything. So it is made to protect the car in all ways possible. taking it out is quite easy and convenient. Now when I show you this car, you can see right here that first of all, the paint finish is quite good. It's matte finish, and you can see the camel trophy has a bit of shimmer in it. The windows are transparent, and you can see the interior detailing, that is also quite good. This part is also matte finish. This is black color, and the wheels are very free rolling wheels, and the wheels also look quite good. Now when we come on to the top has the spare tire, it has the roof rack, and over here we've got some spare fuel jerry cans. So usually one of these holds around 20 liters, and this is very important because when they are traveling in the rally in the jungle, they do not have fuel, so they need to ration their fuel using these cans. This is quite good, and because they are traveling in the jungle, they need some spare lights. So you can see that they've got some spare lights mounted here. The wiper detailing is very good. You can see the wipers. Windshield is transparent, that is why you can see the interior inside. The mirrors are very nice, and these are not rubberized, or they are, I think they are rubberized. These are also rubberized, so like if you touch them slightly, they won't break off. Then over here we've got a guard. This is the bumper guard, and over here we generally get a winch in the Defender. In this I cannot see the winch, but this area has been left for that. Couple of light detailings here, and this is the bumper guard. Now behind the bumper guard, it does have detailed headlamps. So unfortunately this is welded to the chassis, otherwise you could remove this and you could also create another look. But for now, this is the look which it has. It is welded on, and here you can see the Team USA flag. As I told you, Range Rover badging can be seen here. It's absolutely tiny, like I need to zoom in way too much to show you. Let me just try. Maybe you can see now. You can see Range Rover written right there. Then I come on to the rear, and when I come on to the rear, the car looks quite good from the rear also. First of all, the back windshield detailing is good. It also has some wiper detailing. The tail lamp detailing is also quite good. We can see the USA flag, then we can see Land Rover logo, we can see the Camel Trophy badge, and we can see the tilted exhaust tip along with the tow hook. Now this car, if I talk about its heritage, it has a very wonderful heritage, and I also have the normal Mini GT Defender. Maybe I'll just bring it and I'll show it together. As you can see right here, this is the Defender, and this also has a ladder at the back, and this is the Team UK one, so it has the UK flag. But if I'm honest, you know, the detailing wise, if I talk, like if I put these two side by side, then I think the Defender is much better. Like the wheels also are a little better. I mean, they look better. They have used the appropriate wheels. Then in this part, it looks good in brushed aluminium, but this part looks good in black. That is not the issue. But front detailing, you can see the winch and everything. It's better detailed. The grille also looks better. Then you get the shovel. You get the shovel and everything. In this you do not get that. Then the spare tires in this are on the roof rack. In this you get a lot of luggage on the roof rack and the spare tire on the bonnet. Overall, I think it depends which one do you like more. But if I talk strictly about detailing, then for me the Defender takes away the prize. And Range Rover is also nice. I'll try to take a couple of pictures of them together, and they will hopefully look very nice. And let me know which one did you like among these, and thank you so much for watching. And which ones do you have? Do you collect Camel Trophy cars, and which ones do you have? Thanks again.